Today I'm going to show you how to make a cute Christmas lolly idea. You can give it to your family or your friends for Christmas. For this Christmas lolly recipe, you will need edible sticks of some sort, white chocolate or brown chocolate that you can melt, and sprinkles you can use to decorate. I have 30 friends in my school, so I'll need 30 of these sticks. First thing you need to do is melt the chocolate.
A few moments later.
First, we'll melt the milk chocolate. Don't believe everything you see on the internet, because on the internet it said that we could put both of the packets in the microwave and melt it inside. But look what happened when we did. That's why it's important to have a grown-up with you. Now that the chocolate has melted, you can use a piping bag to drizzle the melted chocolate in the shape of a Christmas tree. Now we do the same thing with the melted white chocolate. And finally, we add the sprinkles on top to decorate our chocolate Christmas trees. You can use whatever type of sprinkle you like and add as much as you want. They will look so pretty. These have been in the fridge for a little while to harden up. Give this video a like if you like the idea of a Christmas lolly.